Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate liquid. Start by chopping chocolate into small, even pieces so it melts uniformly. Have cream, butter, and a heat-proof bowl ready. Use a gentle double boiler or low microwave bursts to melt slowly while stirring every 20 seconds. Avoid steam or water contact to prevent seizing. Keep a thermometer handy and aim for a smooth, glossy consistency before cooling slightly for use. Choose the melting method that fits your equipment and time. For delicate chocolate, use a double boiler to control heat and avoid scorching while stirring constantly. The microwave is fine for small amounts. Heat in 20-second bursts and stir thoroughly after each burst to distribute heat. If you prefer speed and have experience, low direct heat can work for sturdier chocolates, but watch closely to prevent burning or grainy texture. Finish the chocolate by incorporating warm cream or butter to create a smooth, pourable liquid. Add the cream a little at a time while whisking to avoid cooling the chocolate too quickly and creating lumps. A small knob of butter or a teaspoon of neutral oil improves gloss and flow for drizzling or dipping. If needed, strain through a fine sieve to remove any unmelted particles and ensure a silky final result for plating or filling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.